Hey guys, we're here to talk about our spray sealant now, which is going to be one of our final topper products here. After you're done washing the car, cleaning everything up, making sure the surface is nice and clean, you want to add some extra protection, this is where you get the spray sealant. And that's going to last up to 6 months worth of protection. Very easy application. You're going to spray on the panel itself, you're going to work it in, and then flip the rag, buff it to a shine. So really simple. I'm going to go for an example right here. So a couple sprays just like that. We're going to work the product in, straight back and forth. Again, you could spray it on the microfiber just to make sure that all the edges are getting covered. Work it right in. Once you cover all the spots, flip the rag to the dry side, and you want to buff off any kind of excess that's left behind to a nice clean finish. So nice and simple, no streaks left behind, and you're going to continue that process along the entire car. So again, for the tighter spots up here, you could spray it directly on the microfiber itself, work it in, flip the microfiber, buff it right off. Again, tighter spot down here. Work it in again, spray it down there. Flip the microfiber, buff everything off, and you're good to go. So again, guys, you're gonna do that same process around the entire car, and that's it, one panel at a time. Don't let it sit on the paint too long. And yeah, nice, clean, glossy finish lasting up to 6 months. Usually recommended to do, every couple washes. You don't have to do it every wash, it's overkill at that point, but one coat can last 3 to 6 months, so pretty good stuff.